Hi everyone! Welcome to the Empath Arcade, another love reading, timeless and general. Take what resonates lang po. Maybe some part of the reading makaresonate kayo, some part of it hindi. Tingnan natin ngayon kung anong love connections, lessons in life and guidance ang ating mababatid for this reading. Spirit, can send me messages? Anong love connections ito? Lessons in life and guidance ang ating mababatid? Anong nais yung ipahiwatig sa amin? Mga aral at gabay sa buhay in general and in love life, in relationship. When it comes to love. Send me more messages to Spirit Guide. Judgment. Justice. May judgment na may justice pa. Talagang makakamtan ang katarungan dito. Ganon. And Page of Swords. Ace of Pentacles. Ten of Swords. Sun. Five of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, and Eight of Swords. Bottom of the deck, Five of Wands. Five of Wands. Okay. Meron ditong Five of Wands, Five of Pentacles. So, meaning, ito na yung maaring kung napapagdaanan nyo to sa mga panahon na to or pinagdaanan ninyo sa buhay ninyo or kung ito yung gabay kapag inyong parang nasisense na, nafe-feel na nandiyan kayo sa relasyon at palagi na lang kayong away ng away. Sobrang complicated ang inyong pagsasama. Wala nang inayos, parang konting bagay, puro na lang pinagtatalunan, away ng away. Complicated. It's too much complication that I can sense here. Maraming tao ang involved. So, ibig sabihin, kung third party yan, pwedeng ang third party ng person mo ay yung another person or pwede rin yung pamilya niya na maaring hindi naayon sa inyong relasyon o siya mismo sa pamilya niya. Basta marami involved or pwede rin friends, relatives involved or pwede rin yung mga katrabaho. Basta maraming person involved dito sa relationship ninyo kaya lalong gumugulo ang inyong pagsasama. Kaya palagi na lang kayo nagtatalo kasi there's another person or people involved sa inyong relasyon. Then, Five of Pentacles dito, you will feel na very parang feeling lost, feeling empty, na maari kasing nang tuluyan ng tinapos ninyo ang inyong pagsasama. Ten of Swords dito, pwedeng you decided that it's enough na, hindi na kayo nagkakasundo pa, lalong gumugulo yung pagsasama, wala na rin para sabihin natin feel of sense of care, of love, of understanding, support and everything. Yan, tinapos mo na, but kasi parang sabihin natin na natauhan ka na, parang you made up your mind na tama na, stop na. It's too much painful na kung ipapagpatuloy pa. Yung justice dito, parang natitimbang mo na sa puso at saka sa isipan mo kung ano yung tamang gawin, which is to end up this relationship bago pa maging masama or bago pa maging hindi talaga maganda pa ang mangyayari. But, yung una ka parang sobrang hirap na hirap ka that you feel stuck sa ganitong situation. Nakala mo hindi ka na makakaalis pa sa ganitong klaseng sitwasyon. Na akala mo wala ka ng kapanatagan. Na hindi ka na magkakaroon ng inner peace. ng peaceful life, 'di ba? Pero mabuti na lang that you made up your mind, nagkaroon ka ng clear na, ayan, sa thoughts mo, sa isipan mo, naging klaro ang lahat na maaring etong taong to, hindi ka kayang ipaglaban, etong taong to ay hindi na talaga nakakabuti pa para sa'yo. Yan, no? Kasi when you are in a relationship, especially when that person makes you feel better, makes you feel more beautiful, makes you feel more worth, sabihin natin, yung kahalagaan mo, you will feel that you're being valued, yung kaya kang ipaglaban, protektahan, yung mafe-feel mo talaga na makakasama mo sa pangmatagalan, 'di ba? Pero kapag yung mga ganun wala na, you don't feel secure, you don't feel that you're being protected by that person, at hindi na rin maayos pa ang inyong pagsasama, tama lang na, 'di ba? Alisin mo sa isipan mo na nakastuck ka lang doon sa taong yun at sa sitwasyon na yun. Because if you decided to end that relationship, magkakaroon ng new beginning dito. New opportunity for you to start over. New opportunity for you to stand again, because you will realize there are options in love. You have options to move away from that kind of toxic relationship. You have options. Napakawala ng sarili mo sa ganong klaseng relasyon. You have options to choose yourself. You have options para magkaroon ka ng inner peace. You have options para makaalis ka sa ganong klaseng relasyon. At kapag nagawa mo, especially kapag, 'di ba, when you are being manipulated, tapos hindi ka nakikinig sa mga taong nagmamalasakit sa iyo, friends, family mo, pero darating talaga yung panahon na matatauhan ka. Magkakaroon ka na ng lakas ng loob para alisan na yung ganong klaseng tao, ganong klaseng sitwasyon. Mas magiging maganda ang iyong kinabukasan. Mas magiging maganda ang yung the way you look into life. Mas magkakaroon ka ng better na understanding about love and life. Mas magiging malawak ang pangunawa mo. Mas magkakaroon ka ng yung magagandang perspective about life. You will realize that you have too many options na hindi mo kailangan ma-stuck sa ganong klaseng sitwasyon or pagsasama or isang relasyon or sa ganong klaseng tao. And yung sun dito symbolizes, and yung Ace of Pentacles dito symbolizes of a new beginning para sa sarili mo, para sa buhay mo. So, ang importante, nagkaroon ka na ng lakas ng loob to end up that kind of relationship. And you will have a new beginning. Because you have options pagdating sa love. So choose kind of love, kind of relationship that makes you feel better. Choose the right person that will value you. Choose the right person who will be there to support you, to understand you, to love you no matter what. Choose the kind of relationship that helps you grow as a person. Choose the kind of relationship na you will always feel being in love or love. Choose the best for you. You have many options. Don't settle for less. Don't settle for that kind of relationship, toxic person, toxic people around you, toxic relationship. Kaya mo makaalis. Huwag kang papayag na ma-stuck ka lang sa ganong klaseng relasyon. Because you deserve the best in your life. Okay, so yun lang po. Maraming salamat po for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe on my Facebook and TikTok. Have a good day po and God bless.